We scored the hottest babes tonight, man.
Wait, higher. Now higher.
A little bit higher? Cool. Anyway, those babes were so hot. We'll go to the drive-in. We've got to brush our teeth first.
Well, why do we have to do that?
Well, because fresher breath. We might be able to make out possibly in the back seat during intermission.
No, when you're speaking of making out, you're speaking of sexual.
No. Only mouth and lip and tongue contact.
When does the sexual?
No, not here and not now.
When does
but first. But first.
Oh boy. Let's go.
Hey, did you check out the new cool toothpaste?
I did. It's excellent.
And right here it is. I heard it tastes really good.
And it tastes great.
Delicious. And does it whiten your teeth? Oh, Lord, does
What am I going to do with this twitch I have? Do you think the girls will notice?
No, there's no way. No.
They won't notice.
It's dark.
Tell me they won't notice.
Okay, come on, let's go.
At least I'll have fresh breath.
Tastes so good. Those babes are gonna love us, ma'am. Well, let's see how it came out for you. My breath really tastes good. Oh my God! It's a disaster! What are we going to do? We're never going to get chicks now! Brush harder!
Brush me. Brush hard.
No way, dude!
We're making the video.
Yo, Jones, what's happening, man? This is I'm Iceman. This is my boy Rick.
Hey, let's hit a rap, dude.
What are you guys listening to?
Yo,
What are you
man,
guys listening
I'm gonna
to?
ask y'all a question, huh?
What are you listening to?
Me? My cereal ain't in right now, man. My shit got stolen. But check this out. I'm gonna ask you a question. You know why the Beatles broke up?
Why?
I don't know. Check this shit out. You know what that was called after they broke up?
What?
The Scramblers. You know why?
Why?
Tell them, Wiz.
Yo, scrambled up!